In this video, you will learn how to get dark mode on Investopedia. First, you can install a browser extension that applies dark mode to all websites on Chrome. The popular browser extensions are Dark Reader. Once this is installed, you can toggle dark mode on and off, and it works for all of Chrome sites. You can also use Night Eye. This is another extension that will give you dark mode across all websites. If you do not want to use a browser extension, use this other method. First, if you're using Windows, go to Settings, Personalization, then Colors. Under Choose your default app mode, select Dark Mode. Then, all of your websites will be in dark mode. For Mac iOS, go to the System Preferences, then click General. Under Appearance, select Dark Mode. This method will darken the interface of the apps, and in some cases will affect all websites such as Google Ads and other apps. While Google Ads doesn't officially have a dark mode yet, these workarounds should help you achieve that similar result. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.